As our European adventure continues, we're saying au revoir to France and hello to Switzerland. We left the charming city of Mulhouse and zipped straight to the Swiss border, our first stop, a cozy Airbnb in Schlieren, just outside Zurich. It's the perfect spot to drop our bags and gear up for our Swiss adventure. After dining and exploring the city of Schlieren, we returned and rested up for the next day. The next morning, we hopped on a train to Zurich. This city is just incredible. A perfect blend of historic old town charm and modern, vibrant energy. We spent the afternoon wandering along the Limmat River and just soaking in the atmosphere. The water is so crystal clear, you can see right to the bottom. Zurich has this super clean, efficient, and beautiful vibe that's hard to describe. Then we grabbed a quick bite, enjoyed the lakeside views, and honestly, I could have spent days just exploring its hidden alleys and beautiful streets. But the next day was the one I'd been dreaming of. We booked a day trip that felt like stepping into a postcard. Our bus tour took us deep into the heart of the Swiss Alps, to some of the most famous mountain villages in the world. First up was Interlaken. True to its name, it's nestled between two stunning turquoise lakes, Lake Thun and Lake Breens. The scenery is just jaw-dropping. We had some time to walk around, take in the views of the Jungfrau Mountain in the distance, and feel the fresh mountain air. From Interlaken, we continued our journey up into the mountains to Grindelwald. This place is pure magic. Everywhere you look, you're surrounded by dramatic peaks, green meadows, and traditional wooden chalets with flowers pouring out of their window boxes. It felt like a scene straight out of a movie. We took a cable car for stunning views. The scale of the mountains is just immense and humbling. I spent most of my time here just staring, trying to absorb the sheer beauty of it all. Our final stop on the tour was the legendary Lauterbrunnen Valley, and let me tell you, it lives up to the hype. This valley is famous for its 72 waterfalls, including the iconic Staubach Falls that cascades right near the village. Walking through Lauterbrunnen, with cliffs rising vertically on either side and waterfalls tumbling. It was an experience I will never ever forget. It felt otherworldly, like you've discovered a hidden paradise. It's one of those places that photos and videos just can't fully capture. You have to see it. Completely exhausted, but with a full heart, we headed back on the bus, watching the alpine glow fade from the mountaintops. We arrived back at our Airbnb in Schlieren, ready for a good night's sleep. It was the perfect quiet retreat to recharge after such a massive day of sightseeing. We needed all the rest for our next adventure. The next morning, feeling refreshed, we hopped on another train, this time to explore the capital of Switzerland, Bern. I was so excited to see this city, and it did not disappoint. I rented an electric bicycle and had a whirlwind tour of the city. The old town of Bern is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you can see why. It's stunning. With its medieval buildings, charming cobblestone streets, and unique sandstone facades, we walked under the famous covered arcades, saw the Zittglogg clock tower, and found the city's mascots, the bears. We even took a dip in the Ahr River, which was an amazing experience, floating through the city with the locals. Bern has a much more laid-back, almost fairy tale-like feel compared to Zurich, and it was the perfect city to wrap up this incredible leg of our journey. What a whirlwind tour of Switzerland! From the pristine streets of Zurich to the epic landscapes of the Alps and the historic charm of Bern, this country has completely stolen my heart. Thanks so much for coming along on this journey with me. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.